In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can fix if your iPhone is stuck zoomed in or you just want to zoom out on an iPhone in general. This is going to be a quick and easy guide, but if it does help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. First, go ahead and take 3 fingers. For some reason, you do need 3 of this to do this, and tap anywhere on your screen. If you double tap anywhere on your screen with 3 fingers, your display should snap back to that normal size. This gesture works anytime that screen is zoomed in. Obviously, my screen is not zoomed in right now, but as you can see, when it kind of flashes just a little bit, that's it actually working. Now, if you don't want to do this or you don't want it to happen again, open up that settings app, and what you're going to want to do is scroll down until you find this accessibility tab. Open that up and tap on zoom up at the very top. Simply toggle that switch up at the very top off. With zoom disabled, your iPhone screen will always stay at normal size, even if you accidentally try that 3 finger gesture again. But overall, it really is as simple as that. If you guys do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below. But that is a quick and easy way to fix that zoomed in screen on an iPhone. Before you do leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.